Hello everyone! In this video, I'd like to introduce a palm magic trick using a cat's cradle string loop. You only need a cat's cradle string loop. Let's get started! First, spread out the cat's cradle string loop. And hook one end of the loop onto the pointer, middle, ring, and pinky fingers of your left hand. Now bring the back strings to the front between the pointer and middle fingers and the ring and pinky fingers, just like this. Then bring the two strings in the front to the back of the thumb. Throughout this process, the string should remain parallel. Now, hook the right side string, which is likely located above your thumb, onto the pinky finger like this. After that, slide your right hand down to the other end of the loop and twist it from left to right. Then, bring the end and hook it onto the left hand's pointer finger. Now, take the two strings off the left hand's thumb and pull them down. Now, take these strings to the back of left hand, and that's it. This is the setup for this magic trick. Finally, just pull the horizontal string and it will come off very easily. Let's do it one more time. First, spread out the cat's cradle string loop and hook one end of the loop onto the pointer, middle, ring, and pinky fingers of your left hand. Bring the back strings to the front between the pointer and middle fingers and the ring finger and pinky fingers like this. Then bring the two strings in front of the back of the thumb. Hook the right side string, which is likely located above your thumb, onto the pinky finger like this. And then after that, slide your right hand down to the other end of the loop and twist it from left to right. And bring the end and hook it onto the left hand's pointer finger. Now, take the two strings off the left hand's thumb and pull them down. And take these strings to the back of the left hand. And this is it. The setup is done. And finally, just pull the horizontal string and it will come off very easily. I hope you enjoyed this palm magic trick tutorial. Remember to practice this trick several times and memorize the steps. Practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching.